Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to use the specific color code into the Excel. So the specific color code means if you have working with some of the organizations like Microsoft or SBI and whatever the organization you working, so you are working with Excel and you have to use the specific color of the logo what you are using, what is the organization's color, and you are representing to the client. So generally if you are representing the client wants to their specific highlighting color to their working sheets. So for that generally how to use the specific colors. So for normal Excel we can, you have the, everyone knows that we can able to fill the highlighting colors using this tab. So see how the different all the colors we have. So except these colors we have to use specific color. If you have to use, so you have to see more colors. If you in the more colors, if you go to the more colors, there is different colors you can able to select here, and after that you need customization of the color. So for this you have to go to the custom button and you have to know the code of the color. If you see, this one is the Excel is nothing but your color code. You need to specify what is the color code of your organization's representation organization. So for that example I am taking one of the bank color code. So I don't have the don't know the color code, so I am searching in the Google. So color code of the SBI logo. See SBI logo color code, everyone knows that. So SBI color code is this color this. So for this I have the color code here, so I am copying this color code and going to this here and I am finishing. So see, I'm selecting this color code. See the color code of the SBI is highlighting here. So for generally where we have to highlight, so the serial number, so here you using the highlighting the color code like this. So you can have to see what are the color codes. If required you can able to select and you can use it. Thank you for watching.